Let's solve this together. It says 3 raised to the power n minus 2 raised to the power n is equal to 65. We're required to solve for the value or values of n in this question. Okay. Now, first things first, we can say that when we have 3 raised to the power n, we can 2 raised to the power n, we can multiply both the powers by 2 over 2. So we have 3 raised to the power n multiplied by 2 over 2 minus 2 raised to the power n multiplied by 2 over 2 to be equal to 65. Now, this can give us 3 raised to the power n over 2, okay, raised to the power of 2 minus 2 raised to the power n over 2, okay, raised to the power of 2 to be equal to 65, okay. You're wondering why I did this. Recall the law of indices. I say that a raised to the power m multiplied by n is equal to a raised to the power m or raised to the power of n, okay. So this is where this is from. And this is the difference of 2 squared, as you can see. So this is in the form of a squared minus b squared. Now, this is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So applying the same law here, we're going to have 3 raised to the power n over 2 minus 2 raised to the power n over 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power n over 2 plus 2 raised to the power n over 2, okay, to be equal to 65. Moving on from here, we can now see that we have the same number adding and the same number subtracting. As a rule, this should be bigger than this because plus is greater than minus, okay? Now, if this is greater than this, let's now outline the multiples of 65. So the multiple of 65 here is equal to 65 times 1 and what? 13 times 5, okay? Okay, so this is also equal to 65. Now, let's now split something and then we solve. Let's say that 3 raised to the power n over 2 is equal to a and 2 raised to the power n over 2 to be equal to b, okay. So we can now go ahead and say that this is a minus b multiplied by a plus b to be equal to 65. Now, again, let's now equate this to these multiples of 65. So we say when 65 is equal to 65 times 1, we have that a plus b will be equal to 65 and a minus b is equal to 1, okay. Let's now add this up. So we have a plus a is 2a, this is equal to 66, hence a is equal to 33, okay. Now let's observe something here. So let me bring back what a is equal to. So a is equal to 3 raised to the power n over 2, okay. And now when we say a is equal to 33, okay, there's no way we can express 3 raised to the power n over 2 in the form of 33 without having a decimal number. And recall that n is a whole number. So there's no way we can express 3 raised to the power n over 2 as 33. Given that, now let's go ahead and use the other multiples to test. So for the second multiples, we have that a plus n, a plus b is equal to 13 and a minus b is equal to 5. Let's now add, we have 2a to be equal to 18, a to be equal to 9. Okay, recall that 3 raised to the power n over 2 will now be equal to 9. Now looking at this closely, you can see that there's a way you express 9 to be in the base of 3 and have an index, meaning that these we should work with, okay. Now from here we now have a 3 raised to the power what? N over 2 is equal to 3 squared. That n over 2 is equal to 2, hence n is equal to 4, okay. So this becomes the answer of n in this question. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.